Welcome to today's video. We are going to be installing the turbo E36 engine into my drift car. This is going to be the third video of this little series for this drift car build that I'm doing. But today, now that the motor is completely done, it's all dressed, it's a fully built engine, it's ready to go in. Now all that's left to do is to take out the engine that's in it. So let's see how quick we can get this done, but we're going to pull this out. Let's get going. The old motor is finally out and on the stand, ready to either be sold or put in something else, but either way, that's going to get tucked away for a little while. This thing is ready to go in. I'm so excited, but it's really dirty in here, so I'm going to push this thing outside and actually give it a little bit of a wash, a little power wash, and clean this up at least a little bit before I put the new engine back in.
Sexy, what a goddamn mistress. 2 a.m.
Alright, so we're finally all done with everything. I couldn't be more excited. Everything's all buttoned up. I know it's going to work. I'm going to fire it up, and I'm pretty sure we have to head straight to the dyno. I have everything converted to E85. Everything's all done. It took a lot of work, but we finally made the dyno session, so I'm going to start it up for you guys right now, and then we got to load it up and head down to New York. So check it out. Loaded up and ready for the dyno. Let's see what this thing makes. Honestly, I couldn't be more excited. That was a lot of work in 2 weeks. We're ready to go. We're ready to hit the dyno. I'm curious what it'll make. You can drop your guesses down in the comments if you want. I'm shooting for like 500, but we'll see what it does today. Let's go.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh yeah, definitely in the right spot.
Nice.
Alright, so we just got back from the dyno. I'm sure you can hear this thing rumbling in the background. I'm so excited to go drive this thing. We made some amazing numbers. I'm really shocked, to be honest. I knew it was possible, but I really just didn't see it happening, but it happened, and it's gonna be awesome. So we're just gonna hop right in this thing, go drive it down the road. I'm fucking excited. Jeff's gonna cameraman this. Hopefully he doesn't drop the camera outside, but this is gonna be super sick. Let's fucking go.
Smells great.
It smells like, smell the corn.
It smells amazing, dude. Dude, amazing.
I need to make a little stand for this.
Yeah.
This is super sick. I can see everything that I'm doing, but like this thing will not stay up for the life of it.
I'd say don't rip it too hard, but where's the fun in that?
I know, it's hard.
On that one, dude.
I doubt the camera has any justice on it.
Oh Oh no, dude, definitely not, man.
No way.
If you do a good pull over here, I'm gonna see if we can smoke from this wheel well here.
I don't know if I'll be able to do a pull right here. But we'll see.
Somewhere in Mexico.
It spins the tires so easily. Like, it just happens out of nowhere.
That was awesome.
We're not even close to red line. I want to say we that was like 4,500 RPM.
I don't doubt it, dude. This thing's fucking insane.
That was 4,500.
Jeez.
It sounds good.
It sounds insane.
It's just a straight pipe. It's a 3-inch downpipe and everything, and that's it. Yeah, this fan clutch I changed gives me a. I was riding it around a little yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
This was at like 140. Now it's at like 160 just because I put a different fan on it. Little clutch dump. Crazy.
Brian doesn't seem too excited.
He never is.
Road's closed, pizza boy.
Sheesh. Yo, this is so fucking sick.
Yo, I'm so fucking excited with this thing. This thing rips like a fucking monster. I'm gonna show you just a little bit under the hood. I know that we just did this, but honestly, this thing is so fucking sick the way it sounds. Got my catch can set up. It's all beautifully done. My filter. Oh, this thing is, honestly, it's probably a little shaky because I love it so much, but we're gonna get back out there. You gotta listen to this thing shred. So fucking sick.